Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Yochi from Truz Line Friends character. So let's get started. To draw this cute prince created by Yoshi, let's first start by drawing the big dumpling head. So I'm going to come right here and we're just going to start with a big curve at the top. This is nice and round, just wider on the sides for the cheek area, and then it just flattens out on the bottom. So I'm just going to draw this huge curve, and then I'm going to round it off right here and bring it in. So that's kind of like my usual dumpling shape. So then about right here, I'm going to bring it in, and the bottom is just going to be a bit flatter. And connect at the bottom. There, so nice and big and round. Now that we have this head shape in, let's come to about right here in the center area. In this area, I'm going to draw a circle. So I'll start about right here for the eyes. And I'm going to come right next to it, say about right here, and draw another circle. So nice in the center. If you're more comfortable drawing the eyes first and then putting the head around it, you can definitely do that as well. Okay, so then now that I have this in, I'm going to come to the sides right here, and I'm going to draw an angle line up and then come down with another little angle to create this kind of like a music note. So same thing right here. So just come out to the edge and then come down. I'll just come in here and shade this all in. And this. So sometimes when the eyes and the mouth are a little bit more complicated, it's easier to draw those first and then put the head around it. But since this character is a little bit simpler, just 2 circles for the eyes, it's just much easier to draw the head first. So now that we have the eyes in, okay, fix the angle here. Let's draw the mouth, which is basically a widen out V. So right in the center, right here, I'm just going to go ahead and just draw this wide V. So 2 angles right underneath the eyes. Now just go ahead and thicken that up. There. And then let's see, we have these cheeks, and I'll do that, draw those, color those when I'm coloring. And then let's draw the crown, right, for this prince. So about right here and here. I'm going to go ahead and draw the crown. So I'm just going to go out on both sides, and then I'm going to just connect it, these points, to create our crown. Now that we're done with the head, let's go ahead and draw the body. So nicely in the center, right underneath the eyes, say about right here and here. I'm going to go ahead and draw a slight curve coming down on both sides. And let's say about right here in the center, I'm just going to give myself a little curve. And this is where the legs are going to start. So I'm just going to come out with 2 curves and then just go ahead and connect it at the bottom. So same thing here. There. And then for the arms, let's come to the sides right here, and we're just going to pop out this curve and then tuck it in. Same thing over here. Nice and simple. There. And then there's a lightning bolt right here in the center. So right in the center, about right here, we go ahead and draw a straight line across and come out the angle to create our lightning bolt. Bring it out again. And then zigzag. So that's pretty much it for the drawing part. So I'm going to go ahead and color it now. So they're all done. I really hope you love how Yochi here turned out and that I helped you draw him fun and easy and color too, of course. And so for the body right here, the original is just all black, but I thought it'd be really nice to just add some highlights just to pop it out a little bit more so you can see more detail. And for the crown as well, I just added some more of this like a darker yellow just to pop it out and give it some more depth. And that is pretty much it. I just used your basic watercolor markers and just this Kpop gray here because I needed to find a gray and that was the closest one I could find. So, but the colors, the markers don't matter. It's just more of the colors, whatever you can find at home to make it work. And I really hope I helped you out today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.